I walked out of the university of my group today and I was like, why is there a naked person getting into a bath?
It's the week of work stress, and so Erasmus Sport has a sauna on campus in order to calm down.
In Finland, where I come from, where the proper sauna is, you go in the sauna, you stay in for maybe 5-10 minutes, and then you're steaming. You come out, and then you go to the lake, or you have an ice bath like this.
How is it?
Well, it's cold, really cold, really cold.
It relaxes you a lot, and after you feel relaxed, you feel happy.
How relaxed are you right now on a scale from 1 to 10?
I'd say about a 3.
Normally we focus on the physical health, but this week we also focus on the mental health, and this is a good way to do it. You can either go in the ice bath or go into the sauna.
Is this something that you do more often, going into ice bath?
Honestly, I walked out of the university of my group today and I was like, why is there a naked person getting into a bath? So then I went and checked it out, and then this lady here told me to get in the bath, and I was just like, yeah, fuck it, let's go.
I brought my swimsuit, so let's change and check it out for ourselves.
Cold plunge first.
Yes.
You go there and then you control your breathing, and then you stay there for as long as you can, and then you head into the sauna. We throw some water under the stove, and then it'll be very relaxing.
There we go. Honestly, I'm getting kind of used to it now. I think it's time to get out. I need some warmth. Let's go.
You gotta keep out. Do it. I'll help you.
It's immediately cold again. Once I step out, I was feeling very relaxed until the second I got out of the sauna. But yeah, it is working.